Want to start investing but feel overwhelmed by all the options out there? Thinking Face Ally Invest could be the perfect solution for you. It's a popular online brokerage platform that makes getting started surprisingly simple. Let's break down exactly what it is and how you can start your investing journey today. What is Ally Invest? Ally Invest is the investing arm of Ally Financial, a well-known online bank. Its main selling point is simplicity and integration. If you already bank with Ally, you'll love how easily you can move money between your bank and investment accounts. But even if you don't, Ally Invest is a great choice for new and long-term investors because of its user-friendly platform and low fees. They offer a variety of investment options, from self-directed trading for those who want to be hands-on to a robo-advisor for a more automated approach. Plus, you can trade stocks, ETFs, and options commission-free. How to get started with Ally Invest? Ready to open an account? The process is quick and can be done entirely online. Here's a simple, step-by-step guide. Choose your account type. First, you'll need to decide which type of account is right for you. Ally Invest offers a few main choices. Self-directed trading. This is for the hands-on investor. You make all the decisions about what to buy and sell. The great news is there's no minimum deposit required to open a cash account. Robo-portfolios. If you want a more automated approach, this is it. Ally's robo-advisor manages your portfolio for you based on your financial goals. You only need a minimum of $100 to get started. It's a perfect option if you're a beginner or just don't have a lot of time to manage your investments. Personal advice. This is for investors with more complex needs. It requires a minimum of $100,000 in assets, and you'll get a dedicated financial advisor. Open your account. Once you've chosen your account type, you'll fill out an online application. You'll need to provide some basic personal information like your social security number, address, and employment details. The whole process takes just a few minutes. Fund your account. After your account is approved, it's time to add some money. You can fund your account in a few different ways. Electronic funds transfer, ACH. This is a simple way to link your bank account and transfer funds. Transfers from an Ally bank account are usually available immediately. Wire transfer. This is the fastest way to get your money into your account. Broker-to-broker transfer. If you're moving funds from another brokerage, this option lets you transfer your assets directly. And that's it. Once your account is funded, you can start investing toward your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.